Let the thunder roll and the lightning flash. I'm doing all right for country trash. I'm saving up dimes for a rainy day, and I got about $1 laid away. The wind's from the south and the fishing's good. Got a pot-belly stove and a cord of wood. Mama turns the leftovers into hash, so I'm doing all right for country trash. I got a Mackinaw and a hunting dog, and a cap that I ordered from the catalog. A big tall tree that shades the yard.